on the shirt. Okay. And then he wrote bench in Korean. Underneath it. Okay. And of course we have a heart. We're not quite done yet. Ayan. Yeah, we have a variety of drawing materials here. Please feel free to explore. But it looks really cute already. Once again, we have a bench on the shirt and bench in Korean, and then we have a red heart. Okay, so we're just outlining the Korean characters that spell out bench. Para kita-kita siya.
He's very focused.
Yes, he is. He's an artist, you know. We cannot disturb him.
Yeah, we cannot disturb him.
Ang galing mo mag-translate kanina.
Thank you very much.
Nervous
ako.
Okay, ayan. You know, come to think of it, actually, you know, I've been to bench way too many times, but I don't think I've ever seen a shirt with the bench in Korean.
Tama-tama yan.
Diba? Oo. Ba't diba translate mo sarili mo? Oh, may shading pa siya, diba?
May mga accents din.
Accent pa? Napaka-seryoso naman yan.
May parang he has may pagka-perfectionist ng konti.
Kailangan kasi seryoso.
Very detail-oriented. Okay, so again, this is a shirt that is being designed by Pekton himself. There's only one of these in the world, and we're witnessing how it is actually materializing in front of us. Okay.
At syempre, very, very focused siya ngayon. Yeah, so I think it would be nice if EXO Wells could sing a little bit yung background music.
Oh, sure,
para
yes,
ma-inspire din
You
siya.
guys want to help him along with singing?
Pagtapos si Becca mag-painting, no, yung light stick din, everyone can raise it. So if he sees the fans, kitang-kita po yung mga light sticks. Okay? So can we all raise the light sticks? Yes. Pero hindi siya synchronized. Yung iba, left and right. Yung iba, right and left. So, Ate Sam, can you guide them? Anong direksyon? Light sticks.
So nice! Even yung heart, okay, kailangan ng mga shading.
Ganda ng mga lights.
이게 왜 제가 약간 이렇게 오래된 것처럼 그렸냐면
I drew it in this style na medyo old yung design.
벤치가 오래오래 사랑받는 브랜드였으면 좋겠어서 이렇게 그려봤습니다.
Gustong-gusto ko na Bench will be a brand that will be loved by a lot of people for a long, long time. So kaya ganito yung design ko for the Bench shirt.
네, 그리고 제가 또 이제 한국어로 이렇게